when you guys board. So someone in here has a dog or
Listen, folks, we are not leaving until we find what we're looking for. If you think it's your neighbor, go ahead and snitch on them.
Please, because we're gonna generate.
Now, should the cabin pressure change, full oxygen mask will automatically drop from the panel located above you. Remain seated, immediately pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Place that regular mask over your nose and mouth, securing it behind your heavy lap. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately hold the mask firmly.
Que con una chingada se sienten, por favor, ya nos queremos ir.
What did he say?
Okay, let's get on.
Why does this flight attendant low-key look just like me? No, because it's actually freaking me out, you guys.
Clearly marked and located as shown. Putting the mask towards you will activate your...
Oh, I forgot to say that.
Whoever is farting, don't fart, please. It smells bad.
Alright, good job. Y'all keep passing back. Alright, now y'all look up here. Here come your drinks.